Welcome to this short presentation on AppDynamics. During the next couple of minutes, we're going to explain what we can offer customers of NetApp to be able to manage and monitor their NetApp storage and database infrastructure more efficiently and get down to root cause of performance issues a lot faster. So let's start by explaining what AppDynamics can offer for customers of NetApp and also for customers of various different relational and non-relational database platforms. On the right hand side of this image, you can see the various different platforms that we support with our database and NetApp monitoring solution, starting with IBM's DB2 database, Oracle, Sybase, ASE and IQ, the open source platforms like MySQL and PostgreSQL, and also Microsoft SQL Server platform. We offer a deep dive monitoring solution into those databases and also the underlying servers if they're on Windows, IBM AIX, Solaris or Linux. In addition to this, we provide a deep dive monitoring solution for NetApp storage, whether that's FAS running in 7 mode or clustered data on tap or the E-Series platform. The key features of the product are that it's a very low overhead, therefore production safe solution. It's very quick to install and easy to live with because it's got a centralized architecture. It's still a deep dive solution and offers a lot of detail and granularity to the metrics that are collected, and all of those metrics are stored historically, so you've got the ability to look at trends over time as well as go back to a specific point in time to do the root cause analysis of a particular problem. The user interface is completely web-based, which means that you can have users within lots of different teams within IT, whether they're DBAs, storage administrators, architects or support guys. So now let's take a look at the product in action. In our example here, we have an Oracle database, we have NetApp storage, both FAS and E-Series, working in a hybrid solution, and also a Linux server. Let's start by taking a look at the E-Series platform. Here you can see that the key performance metrics for the storage array are collected and displayed historically within the AppDynamics user interface. This first chart shows a view of latency over time for each and every volume or LUN within the storage platform. In this example, we can see sub-millisecond latency values for all of the volumes within the array. We also collect key performance stats against the throughput for each controller, showing here the difference between throughput to controller A versus B, and also the disk throughput in megabytes per second for read and write operations. This dashboard is near real time and refreshes every 60 seconds, giving you the ability to look at a real-time view as well as drilling back in time to look at a historical view of storage performance. Let's now take a look at the volumes and see how each and every volume is performing. Now let's take a look at the server stats that have been gathered from the Linux host. Here you can see that we're collecting the main key performance metrics against a host, such as CPU consumption, memory consumption, and I/O metrics about local as well as mounted disks. All of the disk summary stats will be displayed at the bottom of the screen, and we have the ability to compare multiple different servers in a single view. So now let's take a look at AppDynamics for Oracle and look at the historical metrics collected from the Oracle instance under load. We can see that we're able to collect metrics against the Oracle host, the time spent and throughput within Oracle, and that time is then broken down by the various different Oracle wait events, as well as resource consumption states, and also the top queries and store procedures executed within the Oracle instance. We also have a number of detailed reports, this one focusing in on I/O performance, showing a breakdown by different types of I/O, be it single block or multi-block I/O, as well as the throughput metrics and different stats broken down by read, writes, and also redo log I/O. So to summarize the AppDynamics for NetApp and database monitoring solution, it's low overhead and therefore can be used 24/7 in production. It's extremely quick to install because it has an agentless architecture, meaning that you don't have to install anything on the server or the storage. It has comprehensive platform support, supporting all the major flavors of relational as well as non-relational database platforms. We support all flavours of NetApp storage, from E-Series through FAS in 7 mode and clustered data on tap. And it is a deep dive solution providing comprehensive metrics that facilitate root cause analysis and dramatically cut the time it takes to find and fix problems.